Follow the steps on how to create a cylinder text effect like this in Adobe Illustrator. First, prepare the text. Then prepare the symbol panel. Select the text. Then flip horizontally and vertically. Click and drag the text into the symbol panel. Now make a circle. I use size 500. Press D and slash to just leave a stroke. Then go to Effects, 3D, and Extrude. Check the preview and adjust the position. Extrude depth can be adjusted to the size of the text. Click Map Art. Set surface 3 or 4. Select the custom symbol that was created previously. Click Scale to fit and check Invisible Geometry. You can readjust the rotation angle to get better results. Then expand appearance. This can be deleted. Add an ellipse below it as a shadow. Set the stroke thickness and opacity. And add a blur effect. Finished. OK. Support this channel by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Activate the notification bell to get the latest updates from this channel. Thank you.